Welcome to the in front of me HTC Desire 22 Pro, and I'll show you how to activate Hey Google of Google Assistant on this device. So first launch Google application and then click here on the right upper corner. Then tap here to the settings and click to voice. Then tap to voice match, and to activate Hey Google feature, we should click here only once on the switcher, but that's not enough. Now we should just add our voice model assistant to recognize our voice. So click here to retain voice model and say, "Okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow?" "Okay Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday." "Hey Google, make a call." "Hey Google, set a timer for 5 minutes." And after that, tap here to finish. And now when we'll say "Okay Google" or "Hey Google," we can see that this option successfully activated. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.